welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alice and I enjoy doing reviews. I typically do reviews of all different kinds of stuff, ranging from coffees to books, movies, magazines, occasionally makeup, though I haven't done any of that kind of stuff for a while. And today I'm actually not going to be doing a review per se. I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing for you. It's not going to be a very long upload today. I just thought I'd get back into the swing of things and do a little mystery unboxing here. The box in question I am going to be opening is the Dun Dun Family Yeti series. I love Yetis. I don't know. I've always had a soft spot for Yetis. In fact, I actually have a large Yeti who stays in my room here. This guy. He's actually a puppet, so you can make his mouth and his, his eyes kind of move just a little bit. But today I wanted to do just a tiny little mystery unboxing for you guys. I saw these on Amazon and I was using up a portion of a gift card and I saw they had these little Yeti keychain things and I don't know, I just really wanted one. I'm not sure how good you can see them on the camera there. There we go, maybe a little better right there. But see, they have all different kinds of Yetis and you don't know which one you're getting, so that's why it's kind of a mystery. But yeah, I really wanted just a little Yeti keychain to go on my bag. I take my bag to work and stuff and I thought it would be a little cute accessory. So yeah, let's do a little Yeti unboxing. I hope you guys have been having a good week. My week's been okay. My grandfather is actually, well, he's sick right now and he's in the hospital, so a little bit, of a chaotic week. Hopefully, though, he's getting better. I haven't heard any word yet, but he has an infection in his blood, so those can be quite serious if they go untreated. But luckily, he's in the hospital, and I, as far as I know, he's doing much better. So, all right. Gonna open the Yeti box here. Oh yeah, I was gonna mention, people always point to the ones that they want. Honestly, I'd be happy with any of these Yetis. Maybe the blue one would be kind of cool. I guess his name is Sea Spray. I also like this one up here, Glazy Berry. They have some interesting names for them, but I'm very curious as to the mystery one here, whose name is Secret Edition. So I guess we'll have to see what I get, but all right, let's unbox this. I don't know if it's gonna be in like a secret bag or not, so let's just take a look here. Oh, yep, it is. I love how on TikTok they'll be like, ooh, guess which one this is. I can't tell at all which one it's gonna be. But yeah, they put it in a little secret bag here so you can't see what it is right away. And yeah, let's check it out. Oh, awesome. Okay, I got it's not quite white, it's kind of a yellowish color Yeti. And he's got a very big smile on his face. He's got some hair in his eyes too, but oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing ever. His name is Milk Custard Cheese. Which is a very interesting name for a Yeti, though I can kind of see what they're going for, as he does kind of have the color of milk custard, I suppose, and cheese. So he actually kind of matches a little bit of my other Yeti. My other Yeti is a little bit, he's kind of white, yellowish too. So, oh my gosh, I think this was an awesome one to get. I am very, very happy with this one. I can't wait to put him on my bag and have him travel to work with me. He is just so cute. And yeah, they make him with these little rings here so you can attach him to stuff. That is the most precious thing ever. Like I said, I love Yetis. I don't know why. I secretly hope that they are real in the world. I would really make my day if they were, but who knows? Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Like I said, very short little unboxing video. I hope you had fun. And yeah, if you are thinking of purchasing one of these Yetis, you can find them on Amazon. And honestly, they feel pretty good quality. feels like he's filled up with like, he's kind of like a bean bag. He's filled up with like beans and plush and stuff. It feels very good quality. The ring is metal and it's attached to a pretty substantial little ribbon here. So yeah, I think this was an awesome buy, and they're not very expensive, you know, as you can see, they're pretty small. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. I hope to have a review out very soon, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.